Alrighty, I hope everyone's having a wonderful afternoon. So for this video, I wanted to show how tall these tassels are on my blue Hopi corn. And I do want to share how this is going to look. It's going to be my first time plucking this. Well, besides the last time I had plucked a couple of them for my class project, but it was too early, so they didn't really have any kernels. But this is going to be my official one that I feel like it should have kernels because it's pretty thick. And I think it's dry enough already. So with corn, I know you pull down, twist, and there it is. So let's check it out. I'm very excited. Let's see. I'll do it over here. It's gonna be kind of hard with one hand. I'll let it down first. Oh boy. Well, the top really didn't fertilize itself that good, so it's missing the whole half. But the bottom, I'm very surprised it at least has some kernels. Whoa, we got a little. It's okay. There. But the kernels are pretty big. So let's really see this. This guy was crawling in there. Oh look, this is where he was chewing at. And then but to show you, it is blue corn. And pretty thick little ones too. Look, one fell off already. Look at that. Wow. So I'm just gonna regrow. I'm gonna let this dry out and just regrow. I'm not even gonna eat this year's. There's my first time growing and harvesting Hopi Blue Corn. Now with the seeds I could grow some more. Thank you for watching, everyone.